Namaskar. To save generations, we are making you alert in advance. To save generations. Yes. This is not a video, it is just an invention. And people will remember for generations because we are working to save generations. The self-centeredness, disease, divorce, and depression, these are interwoven. Self-centeredness, disease, depression, and divorce. The three damaging things of this century. They are interwoven. Just like a fabric, these are the threads of a fabric. Self-centered, depression, disease, and divorce. They are not going to spare the humanity. Keep in mind, whatever title, money, ego you have, everything will be slashed down, crashed. Because the society we are creating has to come in front of you to serve you. And that is getting damaged with the divorce. And this self-centeredness is at its back. Making the things very difficult for the people when they are intoxicated. This self-centeredness. Because when a person is self-centered, the thought process go stagnant. Can't give you the proper thoughts, genuine thoughts. Never. Plus, the liquids out of your foods will be created no good. Acidic. So, be careful. Never think about your ego, your title, your position. You have to live. Without living, nothing will exist. And all these things are damaging the platform of life. Life is needed by you, everybody, whatever status of money you have. Please, I am telling the fact, might be bitter. So, this divorce is making the whole world miserable. And self-centeredness is at its back. It also damages the disease system also, people getting sick. Depressions because of this self-centeredness. And the same, on the other side, divorce is coming out of this because the thought process is polluted. So all interwoven. अब इन हिंदी ये जो मैं सेल्फ सेंटर्ड होना और डिजीज, डिप्रेशन एंड डाइवोर्स, तलाक, ये तीनों एक ही फैब्रिक है और ये चार धागे इसको बुन रहे हैं. ध्यान रखिए, एडवांस में पहले ही जान लीजिए, नहीं तो कल तो डैमेज है. तो ये जो मैं आपकी कोई भी पोजीशन है, कोई भी जीवन है, कितना भी पैसा है, कोई भी टाइटल है, एटलीस्ट आपने जीवन तो जिएंगे, तभी तो वो चीज़ काम आएगी। जब जीवन ही नहीं होगा, इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर ही नहीं होगी, सोसाइटी ब्रोकन होगी, उसमें डिप्रेस्ड बच्चे जाएंगे तलाक के, तो उसमें क्या होगा? बिकॉज द लेवल इज टू हाई। रफली 80% पीपल आर गोइंग फॉर डाइवोर्स। ये तो खेल बन चुका है, लेकिन वो खेल उन बच्चों के जीवन का खेल छीन लेता है। उनको नो रिस्पेक्ट, नो रिगार्ड, नो लव देकर दुनिया में भेजा जाता। तो आज का ये जो हमारा टॉपिक है तो तलाक और डाइवोर्स के ऊपर, लेकिन बैकिंग आज हमने बताई जो बहुत बड़ी बैकिंग है वो मैं की है। मैं, जब मैं आ जाता है तो उसको कुछ दिखाई नहीं देता, ना तो उसको सोसाइटी नजर आती है, ना उसको ये नजर आता है कि उसके अपने ही जड़ें कट रही हैं, ये भी नहीं देखता। पीपल इवन आर अनेबल टू सी दैट द थिंग्स आर कटिंग हिज ओन रूट्स। सो try to be wise, try to save your life, try to save the society, and stay away from self-centeredness. It will give good health, no depression, no divorce, and nice thoughts. Namaskar.